What's going on, guys? In this tutorial I want to look at how to build our first NotePoint. So let's go ahead to open our project folder. I've already created this file over here, so go ahead and create one. So this is our first NotePoint slide we were going through from the onset. Okay, yes, so we are going to look at how to build something similar to this. So this is what I created as NotePoint 5, and you can see that we don't have anything over here. So just click on any of them to make it active, then select delete button from your keyboard and it should go. So what I'm going to do is, you can see from this side that there is an image over here, some text trying to describe what is over here. So I'm going to hit insert over here, select text box and draw any text box at all over here. Okay, now within this one I can put my image there. So let me go ahead and select the image. So my desktop, good. Let me select this image over here. Okay, now you can see that I have the image over here. Okay, the image is very big. The image is very big, so I have to reduce the image size. Okay, good. The image is here. The next thing I'm going to do is to add a new one, which is going to be the description. So I'm going to select a new text box. Then let me copy whatever thing we have over here and paste it right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to increase the size like that, and I think we are through with the first section. Now looking at the second one is just an image, and we already know how to insert an image. So let me go ahead and move to the next one, which is an image over here. We can see we have this image over here. We have this particular text floating on top of the image, and we have this text also over here. So let's go ahead and do something similar to that. Okay, so I want to add a new one over here. Then we have this image. So first of all, I want to take this one out completely so I can insert my own, which is something similar to this. And within this, I want to insert my image. So let me select this image right here. Okay, and the image is too big, so I want to do something like this. Okay, all right, so let's look at what next. We have some text on top of the image. So right on top of this image, we are going to insert a new text box on it. Then we put our text here. So text here, you get it. Okay, so let me see what text is over here. Let me copy this and paste it right here, and you can see that I have this particular text over here. So let me increase the font size and change the color so we can see it. Let me change it to, oh, this is bad. Okay, should I use anything? Well, nobody cares, so let me do it this way. At least maybe I can push it to the side. I think this is okay now. I bet. So we have this text also over here, so I want to copy it and include that one over here. Draw this over here, then paste whatever thing you copied, or Control and V. Okay, and you can see that it's all already bulleted. Okay, so all I'm going to do is to select everything we have over here, and that was Control plus A. Okay, so Control plus A is going to select everything. Then I increase excuse me, I increase the font size like that. Okay, so this is basically how this boring NotePoint was designed. So going through, you can see that you can now do this. You can insert an image, put some text on top of it, add some text down here. We also can do this. This is just an image over here, you can see that, and this is just the heading. We can do this now, and we can also design something similar to this. So this is basically the heading and the body over here. Okay, And this is also like that. We have some text over here, and then we have an image over here, and this is made up of one big image. Okay, this one big image, and you can see that it's just lying over here. So this is what we are calling NotePoint, and I think we have been successful in trying to create our own NotePoint. So let's go to the slideshow view, and this is our NotePoint, and yes, it looks ugly, and that's okay, that's fine, because it's NotePoint. So switching back to this particular area, we are going to say that uh, congratulations to everybody here, and I think you need to get yourself some chilled Coca-Cola and drink, because you've been able to complete this particular task. You now know how to design a note point. Okay, so the next thing we are going to be doing is we'll look at how we can convert this note point here to PowerPoint, because now if you are presenting this, your audience are going to sleep after you are going to type something similar to this, and then the slide something similar to this one. They are expecting something like this, so they are going to sleep. So we are going to look at how we can transform this to PowerPoint.